G'day folks, today I got a really interesting Kickstarter product I'd like to go over with you. It is by the makers of XClear, those hydrophobic water lens covers for your GoPro. These things that go over your lens, they help repel water and protect it from getting scratches as well. But they have started a new Kickstarter campaign. So this is a Nano suction cup mount for your GoPro. It works with most GoPros. And what it is, it's not a sticker. It has no sticky feel to it, which helps prevent dust and debris from sticking to it. What it is, they claim there's over 1 million Nano suction cups on that surface there. So when you put it to something like the back of your GoPro screen, it's on there very securely. And then you take the other end off, and that now allows you to stick it to any hard, glossy surface. And according to their Kickstarter campaign, the longer it sits on a hard, glossy surface, the greater the suction is that develops in those little Nano suction cups, so it'll be stronger. Now, they also recommend that if it's on a porous surface, don't leave it on for more than 10 minutes, but on like a surface like glass, mirror, it will stay indefinitely. You can just even leave it attached to your GoPro and put the back plate on whenever you want. It does cover the back screen, but quite often you don't need that anyway when you're just out recording some clips. So when does a mount like this come in handy? Well, if you just want to grab some video of yourself doing different activities, this will stick to a variety of surfaces, and it saves you having to get out a tripod and different mounts and changing the mounts. You can just mount this on a window or a stop sign or anything like that. And yeah, so let's just kind of go around and we'll see what all it will stick to. Here's just a regular painted wall. It's not overly glossy, but as you can see, it sticks to that no problem. So yeah, a handy little mount. And as you can see here, as I'm pulling it off, it has a good suction onto that GoPro. Doesn't leave any sticky residue. Like I said, it's not a sticker. It is tiny, tiny suction cups. Now over time, you might get some debris and different things stuck to the surface, and you just simply put it underwater, wash it quickly, let it dry, and it's as good as new. Nice thing about it, it is small, and you could throw that in your pocket. According to their website, it'll fit in a wallet, and I'm pretty sure that yes, it will, nice and thin. But yeah, it takes up no room in a camera bag. And sometimes that's kind of nice because when you're packing a camera bag for the day, you got limited space and you're kind of thinking, okay, do I have room to take this mount? Do I have room to take that mount? Am I going to use it? This is just kind of a no-brainer. You can always have it in there. And if you need it, you need it. If you don't, it didn't take up any room, doesn't add any extra weight. So yeah, a good multi-purpose mount for different scenarios. Well, folks, I want to thank you for watching this video. I will include the links down to their Kickstarter campaign down below. It's an all-or-nothing campaign, so they have, I believe, 24 days left to reach their goal. So if a mount like this is interesting to you, I definitely would recommend going and supporting them, because if they don't reach their goal, then this may never hit the market. So definitely don't wait around for it to become publicly available if you think that this is a worthwhile project to support. Well, folks, that's it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Don't forget to go check out their Kickstarter campaign and check it out further. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next one.